All right, in this quick video, I want to talk about how to control your wealth. A lot of people are interested in how to control your wealth and interested in getting into investments and that sort of thing. And I think people take too much risk unnecessarily. So, as you make your income, whether it's your job, business, or inheritance, you're going to have a pile of money. And after you have money, there's really only four things that you can do with your dollar after you make your money. So, the first thing that you can do is save it. The second thing is invest. The third is spend. And finally, you can give it away. So essentially, these are the only four things that we can do with it. Whether you want to give it to charity, invest it, save it, spend it, there's not much else you can do. And I think people are taking, like I said, taking too much risk up front unnecessarily. So before you save, invest, spend, or give, you have another option. And this is how you actually can create control with your wealth and actually create family legacy and compound your money for the rest of your life. And so when we talk about what your options are, I want to put my money into a place that I have control. And real quickly, I'm going to draw this out so that you can see what kind of benefits that you're going to get from this. I'm going to call this the family bank. And the family bank is where I want to store my cash after I make it. Why? Inside my family bank, I can have guaranteed growth. Guaranteed, rest of my life. On top of that, I have dividends. This money is private. No one knows that it exists. I can be in control of my family bank. I can leverage this money for anything that I see fit. The money is going to grow tax-free. The IRS can't take any of it. And I've created protection from creditors and included death benefits for my family. So how does this work? Well, it's kind of like a mortgage. And so with a mortgage, you're going to make monthly mortgage payments. And as you pay off your house, you're going to get more and more equity inside that home. And the equity inside that home, you can actually access. Okay. So as you're paying off your home, hopefully your home value is going to continue to go up. And you can access the equity inside your home through a loan. It's called a HELOC, home equity line of credit. So you go to a bank, they're going to check your credit score. They're going to require monthly payments. They're going to own the bank loan, so you have to pay them back monthly. And if you don't pay them back, you get big consequences. But here's the deal. Debt is tax-free. So you can pull that money out and pay no tax on it, and you have to pay it back. So here's how a family bank works. Very similar. The difference is you own the money, not the bank. The family bank is guaranteed to grow, unlike real estate. And number three, there's no required payments. So I don't have to pay the money back if I don't want to. So how does that work? We use a specially designed life insurance contract. Now this is really interesting. This is how wealthy people set up their assets and avoid taxation and have access to liquidity throughout their life. Now there's a lot of different types of life insurance out there and not all of them are the same. So we want to make sure that we design this the correct way. And I want to go over some of the details of how an insurance contract can be set up so that you can have control and get all these benefits that we talked about. So when I put money inside of life insurance, it's basically just like what I would be doing with the mortgage inside of a house. But it's I'm going to capitalize this with premium payments instead of mortgage payments. So inside my policy, I'm going to also have equity. And that equity is called cash value. Cash value is available for use while you're alive. A lot of people don't realize your life insurance you can use while you're alive. I want to use a mutually owned life insurance company. And what that means is the cash value inside that is invested with the insurance company. Okay, so I'm going to call the insurance company and say, hey, I want to take a loan against the insurance company's money. And I can create the repayment schedule as much as I see fit. And I'm using my cash value as collateral. So my cash value is still compounding forever. It does not stop growing, even though the money is out inside of some investment. So I get all these benefits from the family bank inside my cash value life insurance. It continues to grow guaranteed for the rest of my life. And before I decide to make a investment, I just put money inside the bank, my family bank. And so when the money goes inside the family bank, I get all these benefits. Then I go to do one of those four things and take the opportunity to, whether it's investing, saving, giving, whatever, I have guaranteed growth, all these benefits, and then I use my cash to go invest from the family bank. So that's it.